how do GMOs and pesticides affect our environment?
GMO stands for genetically modified organisms, which means that the DNA or genetic makeup is altered so it can benefit the consumer more. This can be done through selective breeding or in a laboratory by transforming the DNA from one organism to another. GMOs have been around for a long time. Even laboratory-produced GMOs. This first lab GMO was the Flavor Savor tomato, which hit grocery store shelves in 1994. Ever since, people have been arguing whether these foods are safe to eat.
Almost everything you eat is a GMO. Let's look at an example.
Corn or maize is over 10,000 years old. Farmers chose which kernels to plant and over time learned which characteristics to look for in the corn and used seeds from those plants to have better harvest with bigger and tastier corn.
Okay, so now that we know what GMOs are, how do they affect the environment? Let's go to the lab and listen to Dr. Sasha.
Laboratory-produced GMOs are often avoided by organic farmers, but GMO crops make GMO seeds which travel into other farms from the wind, which is why some products say on the side may contain trace amounts of GMOs. That label is also on the box of Cheerios because the cross-contamination during the shipping, like if you have GMO wheat packed next to GMO-free wheat, then some of the GMO seeds would brush into the GMO-free seeds, so you don't have perfectly GMO-free wheat anymore. These resistant crops also can prevent weeds from growing to their large size, hurting the population of birds and other foraging animals that live off of the weeds' large fields of crops.
Thanks, Dr. Sasha.
But I don't know what pesticides are at all. Do you?
I sure do. Pesticides are the chemicals that are sprayed on crops to help them repel disease and pests.
Cool. How do they affect our environment though? And it seems kind of harsh to spray chemicals on plants. And does it affect their environment too?
Well, often after it rains, the chemicals wash into lakes and rivers. As you might expect, the wildlife usually doesn't interact well with the pesticides.
But how can we solve these problems?
Well, try and reduce how much laboratory-produced GMOs you eat to reduce cross-contamination. Some people swear that it's healthier to have a GMO-free diet, but we couldn't find enough reliable information supporting this idea. Look for products marked as non-GMO verified with this seal. 2,4-D is a common pesticide that's harmful to many organisms. Another common pesticide is glyphosate, or Roundup, which is commonly used on commercial crops as well as in yards. Many people claim that Roundup is the source of cancerous diseases in those who are exposed to it. One large retailer selling genetically modified and pesticide-sprayed crops is Monsanto.
Many articles online listing specific brands who use Monsanto crops, as well as more information on the brand.
Thanks for watching!
Some corn.
Hello? Hello? I feel like I can't let go.